Oh, we're at Camp Mars here deep down in Florida while you guys are getting snowed in up there in Delaware. Yeah, I got a party going on here. I forget the name of it, but here, I'll show you what's going on. You in there, old man? You in there?
Barely.
There he is. That's Ron.
Oh.
Hey! That's Ron's doggy, and that's Ron's belly.
That's Ron's criminal.
Oh, she is wild. That's Juliet. That's Romeo over there. Romeo, is Romeo gay? Because I know my dog is, and he's in love with Romeo.
Romeo's a total bottom.
She's a bottom. Oh, he's a bottom.
Romeo's a bottom.
Oh, stop.
And all the big dicks try to get Romeo.
What'd you say?
All the big dick dogs try to get Romeo. Poor Romeo.
Well, I'm used to cooking medium rare for Kevin and I. I'm not used to letting them sit on the fire that long.
They're all good, though.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice. Yeah, Kevin and I, we like to whack off the horns, wipe its ass, and throw it on the plate.
You know, certain breeds will eat their own, too. Our beagles just eat their own poop. You have to get out there every day. And
When are y'all going to get together and buy these rocks?
I gotta get some dirt.
Ron's going to show us how his slingshot works. Show us your slingshot, girl.
Oh, the technique.
The technique, okay. Step 1, back your butt up.
First
Try
of all, you're not supposed to be enclosed.
Oh, you're not supposed to be enclosed. All right. Well, I didn't know that part.
It's been way too cold.
So, okay. Oh, that must be part 2. Oh, hell.
It's been way too cold.
Oh, bitch. Oh. And then what happens?
Daddy comes. Daddy comes and Daddy takes care of business.
You're the best, Ron. You are absolutely funny.
Daddy takes care of business.
And then business is done.
Medium well is a sin.
Medium well here at the Golden Corral.
Alright, the steaks are ready, everybody.
Where'd Wesley go? Look at the clouds that Ron made. You know what? The whole park will smell this.
If they don't smell it by now, half a day it is going to smell.
We're gonna have people like wondering, like,
People coming over now.
Yeah. Where'd Wesley go?
Roadside cafe here.
Let's sneak up on Ron. Boo! Ronnie, you're a mess. Look, this is Ronnie in his chair. I did.
We're flattening the driveway.
Let's go give this to Romeo. Romeo! That's him over there. Don't tell him I was at the trails. I'm not going to mention I was at the trails. Hello. They had these trails back in the woods.
Getting your watermelon patch ready, Vinny.
You are. Who's growing the watermelon? You or Wes? Who's growing the watermelon? You or Wes?
It's great for the lake or fishing, crab. I do all the fishing, crab.
Get in me, my friend John. John, this is my friend John from...
How you doing, John? All right.
He was a bear. Neither one of them.
Yeah. Always got my cam. Here we are at the movies. Huh?
You were in the bathroom. I did.
Or which one we want to see? Allison Wonderland 210, Allison Wonderland.
Federal Credit Union has been serving members since